Good evening, boys. Today's 1.2 How Seed Grows, and we are going to solve the questions of Learner's book, which are on page number 9. Seeds and seed germination. As we have discussed earlier, what is seed and seed germination? If a seed are given right conditions, the embryo is alive, it will grow. The tiny plant inside the seed is called embryo. When it starts to grow, this process is called germination. Seeds are for propagation. The biological function of seed is for creating new plants, creating new species like them. This is the main biological function of seed. Seeds are for propagation. What are the functions of seed? First of all, they protect from physical injury. They store foods for seedling. They remain dormant, means they remains protected in the harsh environment. They respond to the environment whenever the condition of the environment is right. They starts to grow. Seeds are alive. Seeds must be alive. Seeds look dead, but they are not. When we see a seed, it often look dead to us, but it is not, because there are things which in embryo inside them, food reserves inside them, and seed coat that protects them from the environment. Seed structure. Seed has a seed coat that is also known as testa, a small plant that is called embryo. The first root that comes out of the seed is called radicle, and a scar where seed was joined to the fruit. General features of seeds: embryo, food reserves, and seed coat. These three things are inside the seed. Food reserves. The seed uses its food store to give energy to the new plant. When the new plant seed is germinated, it shivers. It becomes small in size because the food that is stored inside the uh, seed is used by the new plant. Bean seed germination in soil. Then we have looked about how the seeds germinate, how the process of germination take place. Okay, question number 1. Seed needs to absorb. Why do seed needs absorb to absorb water? Seed needs to absorb water to start the process of germination. Without the help of water, the process of germination could not be started. Question number 2. Which part of new bean grows first? The root is the first part that grows outside of the seed. That is called radicle. The first root that comes out of the seed is called radicle. Question number 2b. Suggest a reason why this part grows downward. The first root grows downward to get water and to ensure the new plant in the ground. Question number 3. In which direction does the first shoot grows and why? The first shoot grows upwards. It needs to break through the soil to get light. Shoot grows outside of the soil to get light. That helps it growth and help it to make food. Why do you think new leaf starts to grow above the ground? Same as the shoot, the new leaf also starts to grow above the ground, because they need light so they can make food for the plant with the help of photosynthesis. Question number 5. Why do you think the seed shrivels and becomes small after germination? Because the food stored in them is used up during germination by the new plant. so the size of the seed is small and it shrivels. That's all for today. Your homework is to complete your Kahoot quiz and to solve activity book page number 9. Take care and have a nice weekend, grade 5.